25 years ago, this was our backyard. Empty, open, full of potential. And here, today, you can see what it has become. From above, the transformation unfolds. Paths curve gently through garden beds, alive with colour. Trees reach skyward where once there was nothing. The pond glistens in the sunlight, and every corner whispers of years spent shaping, planting, and dreaming. Here's the view from when we first arrived. Nothing but grass, open space, but a promise of what could be. And here's the largest garden bed back then. Empty, overgrown, waiting for a vision. Eventually we cleared it, laying the groundwork for something new. Today, this same space is a retreat. A winding path draws you through an arbour blooming with summer snow clematis to a bench beside a fountain. From an empty space, we've created a peaceful garden room. When we moved into the house, the backyard even had a curious relic, a bright red British telephone box left behind by the previous owners. We sold it quickly, but it reminds us of the emptiness we once faced, the blank spaces that inspired everything to come. Now that same view bursts with life. A rose-covered arbour frames the path, the pond's fairy sculpture peeks from the greenery, and the garden railroad winds through the trees. Every addition, every detail is a memory of care, time and creativity, 25 years in the making. From above again, the full story is revealed. Meandering paths, lush garden beds, trees matured and flourishing, the pond at the heart of it all. Each element, each plant tells a piece of our journey, from bare earth to a vibrant, living sanctuary. And finally, up close, the pond, the planters, the bench, the patio. Trees and borders frame the space, inviting pause, reflection and enjoyment. This is the transformation of 25 years, a garden grown not just with soil and water, but with love, patience and imagination.